So in this video, we're going to talk about parts. Parts car, what they're worth, can I make money on it? I don't know. We'll see. Hey, what's going on, guys? Alright, so as the title of the video says, got myself a parts car here. It's a 1992 Dodge Stealth Turbo. I'm not a big fan of the Dodges. I personally like the 3000 GTs myself. But this parts car I got for $1,500. It was towed to me and dropped off here, so $1,500 for everything. And the plan is that engine right there is to be pulled out, rebuilt, and put into the VR4 from the other videos. That's still sitting there. It's 2 years I've been working on it. But anyway, that's the plan. And the reason why that's the plan is because I'm not sure if the block that came with the other VR4, the green one out there, is salvageable or not. I mean, let's take a look at it here. I gotta take it to a machine shop and see, but you can see how rusted it is, how bad it is. I don't know. I don't know if that's any good or not. Let's see if I can get up there. I mean, look at that. It might be. So I'll take it and see if they can save it. And there's no real damage to it. But anyway, in the meantime, this car is going to be taken apart and parted out. And I'm going to document the process and show what parts I sell and sell for what, so you can see whether or not it's profitable to part out a car. Now, I imagine it is profitable to part out any car. It just would take time and space. I mean, these car parts, they're taking up, like, this is just, I mean, the beginning of pulling everything out. And this is just some of the parts I have. And as I've been pulling it, the one thing I did make sure is label everything, every bolt, where it came from, so that when I go to this car here, and I go to put everything in, I'll have the actual bolts and everything, because I don't have any of that stuff for that car. If you see any of the previous videos, you'll see none of that came with the car. So anyway, yeah, been taking this apart. Some more interior pieces. I'm working on it. That dash is good. I'm gonna sell that dash. The dash is actually in pretty good shape. And this interior is actually not bad. It's got the red leather that I like. You know, it's a little worn there, and there's a little rip in the seat, like right there. But otherwise, this ain't bad. I'm actually going to try to sell this interior, as far as the carpets and the seats all together, to somebody who wants to put a new interior in. You know, as far as the other pieces go, you know, you can see, I don't know if you can see through the window, but like, you know, the other pieces are just no good. But the seats and the carpet are good. And I will eventually get under there, and I will take the rear end off, differential, drive shaft, all that stuff, transfer case. All that stuff's got to come off. I got to cut this exhaust off though, because some of the bolts are stripped on the manifold. So, but anyway, that's what the next video is about. Oh, and I have this front end here. This front end came on the car. Let me do this. It's a 99 front end that was painted to match the car. You can see the original color, I guess, was a blue. I think I'm gonna sell that too, just to maybe somebody with the same color car. Maybe they want to do a 99 front end, although it's the Mitsubishi. That might work. So the only thing I've sold on this car so far, and I've got stuff up on eBay, the only thing I have sold, let me show you, it is right here. Little bezels here. I sold both of them. I think I sold them for like 20 bucks, free shipping. So 1,500 minus, you know, 20 bucks free shipping. 15 bucks. So I only got $1,485 to go. And then I'm gonna take that over there. I'm gonna take that block to the machine shop on the next video, and then probably the video after that I'll go out there and really get into that car, start showing you that. So the next few videos, stay tuned. It's just gonna be me taking this out, parting it out, and putting it on eBay and letting you know what things are selling for and whether or not making any money. I probably will have to get a storage unit because I don't want to have all these parts at my house. I just bought a new house. I don't want to clutter it up and turn it into Sanford and Son. And my shed, because you can't see my shed. Well, through there, I have a bunch of parts for that VR4 outside already, so I'm kind of maxed out. I mean, like you can see the headlights for that are sitting here. I got stuff everywhere, and I really don't want to clutter this space up. So I'm thinking a storage unit for $100 a month that I can store these parts, which then will be factored into the overall cost. You know, if I pay $1,500 for the car, and then I pay $100 a month for storage, well, then that starts adding up as far as whether or not I'm actually making money. So we'll see, but that's the plan for now. So if you're one of the few people who actually watch this video, thank you. Give it a thumbs up and stuff like that, because it'll help maybe more people see it and help get more subs and stuff. And I've been noticing a lot more VR4 rebuilds popping up on YouTube, and that's cool because these cars they're not very popular for some reason. I mean, they are to the people who know about them, but the people who don't know about them, I mean, they're just clueless. So it's kind of cool. And I think the more that people know about them, the more valuable they'll become, because people realize, you know, just how cool they were. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.